We were working on the window channel today, so we're gonna pull it out and show you guys what we're doing. We got the Impala right behind us. We got it pushed out. It's looking pretty good. We have our new cardboard windshield in, of course. Just kidding, obviously. So we removed the window. The reason why I pulled this windshield out in the first place was because all the clips were bad.
We're going to be putting in new chrome moldings for it, and the only right way to do it is to get to these studs right here. These are the factory studs. Some of them have been replaced, so we will be walking you through that also. They have restoration items. This happens to be a B body from '73. Don't let people tell you. Obviously GM used similar items on similar vehicles of that era. So even if you have an old car that doesn't have restoration books, you can always make it work. You know, we'll put a link in on the bottom with some of the tools that we use. We used Fast Etch to make sure the rust would stop in this window channel. So today we're going to clean it, prep it, and chassis coat it. And then in another video, we'll be showing you how we're going to put these pins in to hold the clips that hold the window molding for the vinyl top and around the windshield. So that'll be coming soon. And but this looks good from yesterday. Everything came out really good. Everything is clean and it's ready to be prepped.
So right now we're just wiping down the urethane off the car from the runoff from the cleaning of the window channel yesterday. And we're just using some regular isopropyl.
Yeah, isopropyl alcohol. This happens to be 99%. With a little more elbow grease, you could probably do it with 90, and it doesn't harm the paint. It's not like thinner, it's not as aggressive, or acetone. It's very mild on it. So the urethane, if you ever done it, when you take it out of the winter, it's just tacky. It'll always stay tacky, and you just got to go around and clean it, and it comes right off, just so you don't damage the paint or do any other further damage to your hot rod.
So one of the products we started to use on the windshield was this Eastwood Fast Etch that I'll show you right now. We've used this on quite a few different applications.
Ton,
yeah. Yeah, you can really use it on anything. Once you spray it, you can see it go straight to work, and it really does do a lot for saving the metal and whatever you're doing and making sure it doesn't rust, as you can see in this piece right here.
We had this speaker bracket that's factory. This was literally yesterday coated. It was all orange. Instead of killing the metal, sanding it and sandblasting it, you just wire brush it, you clean it up, you put some Fast Etch. It literally converts the rust. You can see that there's no more orange. This is ready to, this is basically prepped. You can just hit it with thinner or whatever, acetone, whatever you want, and then just coat it either with aerosol paint, or we're going to use chassis paint. But just to show you that some of the products, they work really, really well, and it preserves the metal, especially all these hard to find pieces. He might be too low, but the other one, when I put it in, was a little too high. So let's see how he fits. He's too low. There we go. Okay.